Let's eat together. Let's eat together. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. Where do you work? Where do you work? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Can you show me? Can you show me? Please call me. Please call me. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. This is very cold. This is very cold. I'm feeling bored. I'm feeling bored. Let's drink water. Let's drink water. It is very bright. It is very bright. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Where is the shop? Where is the shop? What do you like? What do you like? I can't find it. I can't find it. Please tell me. Please tell me. You are very smart. You are very smart. This is so easy. This is so easy. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling sad. Let's go home. Let's go home. It is getting late. It is getting late. Where is your room? Where is your room? Where are you going? Where are you going? What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please help me. Please help me. You are very kind. You are very kind. This is my house. This is my house. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. It is very hot. It is very hot. Are you okay? Are you okay? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? What time is it? What time is it? I can see you. I can see you. Please stand up. Please stand up. You look happy. You look happy. This is my book. This is my book. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. It is very windy. It is very windy. Can you help me? Can you help me? What do you want? What do you want? Where is your mom? Where is your mom? I can hear music. I can hear music. Please open this. Please open this. You look angry. You look angry. This is my friend. This is my friend. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. Let's start now. Let's start now. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. Where is the key? Where is the key? What did you say? What did you say? Can you see that? Can you see that? Please close this. Please close this. You are my friend. You are my friend.